As e dey sweet me, e go dey pain una. As e dey pain una, e go dey sweet me. I say na 600 years, that means na my forever testimony. And the thing they choke una like dagger, like bullets. Oh, let me inform you once again that Rose is my life content. Yes, una never see. You love her. You want to go back to her. Begana. Oh, superwoman. Yes. Now, ask your mama Rose. This picture dey my page now. Or you send this video. Say, Rose, we saw one AI picture. How? Wetin happen? Everything I dey talk, everything I dey do, it dey be like magic. You get evidence. I have been talking about this particular story that Rose poisoned me. Rose poisoned me. Rose poisoned me. I say one day I go see the picture. This is General Hospital, Lagos, Ikeja. General Hospital. This is when Rose poisoned me. When she saw me reacting, the following day, which is 24 hours, she said, now say, she too, she ate from the poison, no. She ate for the poison, no. She now start to act. As a result of the poison, that is not why she's looking like this. This is how Rose used to look, oh. Not be she's not sick, oh. This is Rose. People that know Rose say na so Rose be. Waiting dey her head, not be wig, oh. She want do style. She go paint the hair brown. So not be wig, unkept hair, unkept body. This is how Rose is. Now me the first time, priest look good. I will bye, I will quarrel. So let's forget about her look. This picture, send that to your mama Rose, because everybody when you say waiting Rose do me good, it go happen to una. I not to say waiting do bad, but that good thing when una say do to me, go happen to una generation. Everything I they talk, they get evidence. Now you go send this video to Rose. You say, I saw one that you na yeah husband, no. That talk husband. I don't see they talk one nonsense when I know it's not be true. You don't go use one AI, oh. Don't bring one AI picture, oh. So when Rose poisoned me, when I was reacting 24 hours, you know, seeing a different poison that they see. The one where you just take, when maybe you just spy the instantly, they know will give you that one. So that you know will be too obvious. So while I was reacting, Rose thought it's finished. Rose quickly thought, say, hey, oh, himself, oh, he chop, he bless, he chop, oh, hey, oh. She now act. So she went rush me to hospital now so that maybe I can apply for hospital because now me say I want to go hospital, not be saying want rush me. We reach General Hospital so the evidence would there. Now she tell doctor without test or anything, we tell doctor say himself eat oh. Now they take carry us emergency everywhere. If we see an accident, we sit down. This was midnight, maybe around 1 midnight. So if you see now, not be bed with you, na chair. All the hospital bed feed up. As emergency unit, when I go, now we can't sit down for chair, they can't fix us drip. So Rose forget, say, in tossing in shop poison. He can't forget, they behave normal. Why me, when he shop the poison, it took me months. So she can't forget, say, in at a chop poison. So how? Even before we come up for this drip, she they forget because how na acting. She thought I would be dying so that she can tell the world and my family say, we both eat poison, but she thank God she survived. And she for even go church say, God, thank you. Now me and my husband ate poison, no, but he survived. Oh, God of Dunamis, oh, God of Jesiah, oh. So I have been saying this story. I have been talking this story. Thank God yesterday I said, let me take my time and go through my old pictures. And I found it. What you are seeing up there now drip. What you are seeing in our hand, now how they take connector. But there was nothing wrong with her. If you see the way in being, and I saw in the bio, like a great grandmother, she wasn't sick. Many of now they follow us, no say na so she they be off her own. All right, I survive it. It's my content, so watch it and cry in the comment section. The man no dey move on, no. Na evil people be that one, no. Because the story they open people eye, they open their husband eye, they open their wife eye. They say the man no dey move on. Small pikin, check and this man get mental issue. Hey, get mental issue. If I give you my mental issue, your generation and yourself will never suffer for life. The man has mental issue. You want to have such mental issue so that you can survive. Yes. So this is it. Those who follow me know say I don't talk this story for a very long time. Go to my page. You can save the picture to your phone and you send it to her. Say, Rose, what happened here? Just not even tell and say poison or no poison. Rose, wetin happen with this picture AI? What can you remember what happened in this picture? At least she go measure a poison. Then let her explain how the poison take on. She go call poison now, even though she not agree say na she. But if she can open her mouth say, it was as a result of poison he ate. How he can't eat the poison? Now let me and you dey house. Now you cook the food when I eat. Oh. You know say you use a sniper for dog. Downstairs I use sniper. And my policy, because of cockroach or anything, all the plate when we wash put for ground. If you want use and give me food or you say eat food, we must wash them again. That's what we take the doing. That is the policy even till today. You can't just carry plate from anywhere now and give me food or give anybody food. So now you when you cook the food as Rose, we not get house help. We not get anybody. My family not they enter my flat. My house is so secure as we they enter like this with the locked door. So now go come ask Rose now. Who cook the food when your husband can't eat poison? How poison take on? This is the story I'll be telling you people. This is the story I'll be telling you people. Now, I say na 600 years because na small they bring and come outside. And I know say people, when their head correct, they are learning. They are being careful even in their home and marriage due to my story. And many are still learning about life from my story. Many people have a very ugly story that people can learn from, but they refuse to share it. They claim to be an angel. They die with it. They go to grave with it. I will not do that. This is when Rose poisoned me. This is General Hospital, Ikeja, Lagos. Have a nice day. Those who have ear, they will surely hear. You need to say, how did you even meet this devil-like human? If you dey follow me, you will hear that one before, but another day I go repeat it. Because right now, I have to do my exercise, take my breakfast, and go to work by 1. So it's another day story. Thanks. I will do it again, but probably when I rehearse it or repeat it, you may not be there again. So if you want to know our story repeatedly or my story, always attach yourself to this platform. I know in most cases I go to TikTok to talk about it. TikTok never replay it again, but I will learn to be dropping it here as well so that those who have ear, they can learn for themselves and for their children. Let somebody go and ask Rose, say, that man when they talk, wetin happen for this picture? I know say not na you, I know say not be you. Wetin happen? If she boldly mention this was poison, let her explain. The same person say, how come? What is the meaning of poison? How did poison enter the man's food? Make them ask him. Make them ask him. I know say I am a survivor. I know say I am the greatest and the most strongest person on earth. Evil live with me for 8 years in all every means to make sure I go to grave. No way. Leave me, not leave me. I portion I not go. The whole nation will they beg me. Everybody when I know true Rose now help me beg my husband. Now I tell no, I will not do it again. I promise. I have changed. He go swear heaven and earth. Because she wanted to finish her work and claim my property and everything. But at the end of the day, she go with empty-handed. Unity. Wetin happen next no be the issue. Wetin happen next be say I survive it. Yes. The people when women kpai for Bible, native doctor, everything for real earth and for Bible, are not strong past them. So it can happen to anybody, but the power to survive it, na it matter. Lawrence Anini, now woman make them catch am. Whether na Simon or Simon in the Bible, even the story they gave her, whether it's true or not, now woman I cause our problem what we did today. A strong native doctor who wrote me then, Dr. Clement, in the 80s. Now woman, Dr. One Niger of Iroekme in the 80s. Now woman, many professors, rich people, highest farmer in our village, now their wife, now woman. One native doctor when he did popular for him now, when I don't want to call his name again because we don't settle somehow. His wife when he born for her, their first daughter reached to get Peking, just that the first daughter did school, higher institution. Now Ishan woman, Ishan man, one is the Ojobo now for him. High chief native doctor. Woman doing waiting not good. Woman when born 20-something years old for her. Doing waiting not good. Who fuck that woman for inside where they can finally catch and can't catch the atrocity. Now the small boy they let work for the doctor hand. And they know say that kind of thing supposed to buy the doctor. So the woman was ready to buy the doctor. Same Elohim, same mission. Was ready to buy the doctor by doing all those abominations. So my brother, my will not be first and my will not be last. But the ability, the energy, the good luck to survive it is what people that love me should be talking about. Not Oga, how you take reach there, how you take put eye, how you take be like this. No, I know those questions are not from the genuine people who genuinely love me. But I am ready to answer every question from both left, right, and center because I wish to share, not because many wish to learn. Like I said before, it's going to be a story that I will repeat again how I met her. If I start now, I will not be able to stop and you will not be able to get it all. Because my exercise, my food matters. This time I don't struggle much. I'm just doing the work like an exercise. So when I take my morning exercise, I will take my breakfast. I will sing hallelujah to my place of work. I work anytime I want, come back anytime I want. So probably weekend or anytime, I will repeat this story in brief again. You want buy handsome man, a man that gave you everything. Women, let's do better. Most of the picture when I dey send for Rose, make una know who bring each other up, who build each other. Who they were, who old, who dry among us. This is most picture I already they build down from a year before I take the picture because the way I met her, no. But still, you can still tell. If you are not fresh as a single lady, a single look like this, the husband has not come make you fresh. It's an evidence of good things are done, despite the evil running in her heart. You know, when evil is running somebody's heart, you can never be fine. You can never be soft. It's not about age. Most people at the show now, people, they cry because they don't expect me to post those pictures. Somebody you will live in Nigeria to enjoy for more than a year with freedom, with fucking around, with money, with driver. You are not the one driving yourself. You still drive like this. Not be evil, they run through your mind. Money dey there nyafun. You can never even say, I want to buy something. Now you know where to take the money. Couple with the organization are open where you they use money like say na water. I not talk say money dey come from organization. I still carry money put for ground, make you dey use. May not come be say if not be organization, I for not fit take care of you. But still not show for your body because of your evil mind. You not show. So I am very proud to be showing pictures and video. Make she said they proud to show video where she for pick me, how she for pick me, how I be, how I look. Make she they show those ones. So make me say they show my own. If una like una say I want go back, no problem. If una like una say I dey cry, no problem. If una like una say I'm rejected, no problem. At least I'm happy sharing my past. You are not happy seeing it as an evil person. You are. I inboxed you yesterday as you requested, sir, chairman. Okay, I never check. I'll check. You need to say, bros, I know you so well. I mean, as a summer, you not supposed marry that woman again. Yes. Waiting past man, they happen to a man sometime. That's why if I use myself, they tell stories. Some people say, I'm not strong. I think say you strong. Thank God, Jesus not strong. It's a long story, but the end of the day, I was able to get out and be safe, and I'm alive. There are things I will say about this woman. People will not believe. Not only me and my God just they reserve that one. I tried. I tried to survive it. Then they see real demon on earth. Real demon is on this earth walking around, in case people don't know. Abigail, thank you, Jare. Say even the strongest men fell for women. Anyone can fall, even Adam in the Bible. Thank you, better picking. All right. This is where I'm going to stop. You know, I don't want to talk much. 1 hour, 2 hours can still meet us here. That is just it. All right. Bye for now. Now my content bureau, so I no get another one. Oh, now my content bureau, so now my content be this, so I no get another one. Oh, now my content bureau, so I say na live content. Now my content be this, so I say na true story. Now my content be this, so waiting my eyes, see, oh, now my content be this, so. Who get here make it here, oh, now my content be this, so. Who get I make it see, oh, now my content be this, so. Who get leg make it run, oh, now my content be this, so. Who get hand make it crap, oh, now my content be this, so. Now my content be rose, so I no get another one, oh. Now my content be rose, oh. I am a winner, oh. Now my content be this, so many people not survive, and now my content be this, so I survive, I dey dance, so now my content be this, so I dey alive to tell the story. Now my content be this, so if you no want hear broke your ear, oh, now my content be this, so if you no want see get blind, oh, now my content be this, so I am a survivor, many people not survive, oh, now my content be this, so Abigail is dancing, now my content be this, so better people know this story, evil people no one hear, oh, now my content be this, so then they fear say I expose them, now my content be this, so then they fear their wife, the wives, oh, now my content be this, so then they fear their husband, wives, oh, now my content be this, so then they throw me stone, no, because I open people eye, oh, now my content be this, so stone when they throw against moon, you know they touch the moon, oh, sky, you know they touch the sky, oh. Oh, Gyobo making you, I'm a super native doctor, oh, now my content be this, so if it dey pain you, oh, make you do your content, oh, now my content be this, so Evelyn say, oh, she like this song, you, now my content be this, so carry go, nothing do me, jaye. Oh, I don't turn 50 years. No worry. I'll say, even when I be 52, I'll go celebrate. I'll revise and go celebrate 50 years. I really wanted to celebrate my 50 years, but he not meet me where I be put on. But thank God he meet me in good health. Yeah, Nathan say, Oga my belly. Yes, so I think say now our chama be this, so we not get another one. Oh, now your chama I feel. All right, I wish you a very beautiful day, very beautiful morning, a very beautiful moment. Ew, as I survive with your clean heart, you shall survive it. A weapon fashioned against me will not come near to me because it's not a back to sender. A weapon fashioned against you will not come near you if it's not a back to sender. That is why we should try as much as possible to be clean to some extent. There is cleanliness and sin. They are not same. Everybody, we are all sinner. But when you are talking about cleanliness, wickedness is quite different from being a sinner. You can be a sinner and make heaven. You may have a dirty heart and not make heaven. So we should try as much as possible to be clean to humanity, to ourselves, so that a thing like this, you can always escape it. I am happy today singing here, not just because I'm a native doctor, but because the native doctor I am doing it with a open mind. I don't do evil. I don't jealous. I don't wish people's downfall. That is why I'm the strongest. I have all it takes to do all this. But if I do, what will be my gain? This world is not forever. This world is not my own. I'm just passing by, planting evil behind. It will not save you. Do good, oh, good come for you. Oh, I told me, have a wonderful day.